I want to show you how to make a talking head with a dynamic background. Let's dive in. First you get your footage, that's obvious. Then you go to your annotations, go to shapes, pick a shape, the best shape, round of course. Put the transparency a bit down so you can see where to put it. Scale it, hold shift and scale it to the size of the head. Put it in the middle a bit. Don't forget to put the opacity back. Make the shape the same size as your video. Then go duplicate the shape. Make it invisible for a moment. Then take the bottom shape on the eye, right click, put it on alpha. There you go. Then group them. The empty layer with the motif. Right click, alpha on none. Now you can put this shape visible again. Then you go to your media, your library. You go to dynamic backgrounds. Pick one of the backgrounds you like. Put it under the shape. Make it the same length as the video. And again, make it a bit smaller so it fits. Put it on alpha. Then group it. Then the empty, put it on none. Put the bottom group on top. Lock it for a moment. And then make this one a wee bit bigger. Put it in the middle. Here you go. Unlock it. You can see you already got movement. If you want to move it, take the two groups, make it into one group. Now you can move it. Resize it, even rotate it if you want, animate it, whatever. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and join me next time for another one. This was Omezake. See you later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again. Bye.